go. Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, Mrs. Edward.
How did you?
How do you do?
Okay, so for the past 2 weeks, we've been talking about acid and bases. And today, we're going to be doing the practicals on acid and bases. We're going to test for acid and base, okay? So, who can tell me what a base is? Okay?
A base is a chemical substance that combines with acid to form salt and water.
Very good. Who can tell me what an acid is? Okay?
An acid is a chemical substance that combines with a base to form salt and water.
Very good. Excellent. Okay. Who can tell me the features, the characteristics of a base? What are those things that you would see and know that actually this substance is basic? Yes, Divine?
Base is slippery and soapy.
Okay, when touched between the fingers, okay? Daniela?
Base tastes soft.
A base tastes bitter, okay? Bitter, you meant to say.
Base turns red litmus paper blue.
Okay. The pH?
The pH level of the base is higher than 7.
Very good. Okay, you still have something to say, please, quickly?
Some bases are corrosive.
Okay, very good. All right, thank you. Let's have two features of an acid. Do you still remember? Not Daniela again. Who can remember one or two? Okay.
They taste sour.
Okay, taste sour, while base tastes bitter. Very good. Yes?
Acids turn blue litmus paper red.
Absolutely. Yes?
The pH level of acid is greater than 7.
Okay, not at all. It's not greater.
It's lower than 7.
Okay, lower than 7. All right, thank you very much. Okay, so let's get down to the business of the day. What we have here are fruits. So we're going to be testing with fruits. We have banana. Okay, I hope you can recognize that. We have a lemon here. We have tomato. And then we have orange. And then we have lime. Okay. We also have our litmus paper that we're going to use, our red and blue litmus paper that we're going to use to do the test. We have a substance here. This substance is a base. Okay? This substance is a base. Okay? So that's a base. While this substance is an acid. This particular substance is called hydrochloric acid. Okay? Now, hydrochloric acid can be formed in the stomach and it can be artificially made. So this is the artificial acid. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the test. So we need a litmus paper to do the test for. Okay, so I have some there. And then I'll need to also bring out some blue litmus paper. Okay. Okay. So we have some blue litmus papers here. And we have some red litmus papers here. All right. So as I said earlier, this is the base and this is an acid. But we're going to test on the fruits first. Okay. So let's start with the banana. We want to test for acid. So when we place the red litmus paper on the banana and it does not react, it does not show blue, it means that it's acidic. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. But when we use the blue and it changes the color, we know that it's acidic. So let's see how much of the banana juice that we can get. Okay, we've got enough. Have you seen that we have some juice on it?
Yes.
Has it changed color?
No.
Has it changed color?
No.
Okay, it has not changed color because it is not
Acidic.
okay. So we drop it. Now this is a blue litmus paper. Wow. Has it changed color?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. So that shows that the banana has some level of acid in it. Okay? All right. Now let's test other fruits. So this is let me squeeze some water, some juice, I meant to say. Have you seen?
Yes.
It's still red. It's not changed because it's an acid. Okay, so let's look at the tomato. It's still red. Have you seen?
Yes.
Okay, let's go for the orange juice. It's still red, no reaction. And let's go for the lime. It's still red. Okay, now let's use the blue litmus paper.